Holland today for this car meet. It's at the state park. I hope my passes are visible. If not, I got like 10 bucks in my wallet. Hopefully that'll cover it if I have to pay. A BMW, nice. I don't know if these are part of the car meet or not. It's just like a, not impromptu. It was posted and it's like, what's the word I'm looking for? It was posted, advertised. It was advertised for like a couple days now, or almost a week. So hopefully there's a good turnout. I'll try to record the cars if possible. If not, you'll get like a weird B-roll of pictures with music over it. I mean, you'll probably get music anyway, because if I record the cars, I'm wearing my helmet or like using my phone, you're gonna hear breathing and a bunch of background noise. And Porsche, hell yeah. Holland is like this weird amalgamation of college kids that don't have a lot of money building cars and really, really rich people that have really, really nice cars from the factory. Not that I wouldn't whip, you know, a built car or a factory car. I'm just saying, like, it's like this weird amalgamation. So there might be nice ass shit there. There might be some like in progress builds, you know. I'm not one of those respect all builds kind of guys, because, you know, some builds are whacker than hell, but I'll be nice. I understand that they're all everybody's pride and joy. I'm not going to shit on somebody's parade because I don't like what they got. I'll find something to compliment if I need to. A lot of cars I don't recognize. That one has spool. That was cool. Nice vet. I'm going to a car show in St. Ignace next weekend, so I'll record that too. At least I'll attempt to anyway. I'm going up on Friday. I think they cruise around after the parade they have. I'm going to miss the parade. I'm going up after work. Is that a static Genesis? I think it's a Genesis. I don't know. I fuck with that Fox body though. I gotta pay attention now. It's one of those weird roads that goes from we're a road, so suddenly we're in the state park. If that's them, I'm gonna be upset. Nope, not them. We're good. They have a pass on me, so I can just go straight through once they realize I have the pass. I'm 90% sure I got the pass. Man, that driveway would suck for a motorcycle. Okay, I see what's going to be here. Some of that kind of stuff. Let me position myself so I can actually watch traffic as it comes through really quick. If it even comes through. Nope. We're good. My worst nightmare. Big bump. Bump. And that's a DNR truck behind me too. Love it. Bump. That's a decent turnout so far. Where's the bikes? Stop! Howdy.
Those Chinese levers like mine?
I have no idea. They came on the bike.
I think those are the same ones.
was fun. I didn't get a whole lot of recording though, because as we got there, they were kind of leaving. Everybody was sitting in their cars. They didn't want to just take pictures of them in their cars. It's fucking weird. But it was fun. These are the guys that I roll with, or some of the guys I roll with that aren't Mac. Fuck yeah!
That was awesome!
Hell yeah!